Here we're going to prove the consecutive interior angle theorem. We are given that P is parallel to Q. You're going to prove angle 4, the measurement of angle 4 plus the measurement of angle 3 equals to 180. Start with what you're given. All right. There's different ways to approach this. This is the way I'm doing it. First of all, I see that angle 1 plus angle 4 adds up to 180 because they're linear pair. They form a line. Here, this is good because I introduced the measurement of angle 4. I need something else here. Okay, I can get angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. That is using my corresponding angles. Notice that there is no measurement here yet. I want the measurement though, because look, in second line, I need the measurement of angle 1. So I have to use a definition of the congruent angles to get it into its measurement. Now, since there is its measurement, I could then make that substitution. Angle 1, the measurement of angle 1 is congruent to measurement of angle 3, so I can replace that by substitution, leaving me with angle 3 plus the measurement of angle 3 plus the measurement of angle 4 is equal to 180. Okay, yes, you can use some commutative property, but I don't mind. And there you go. This does match up with that. Okay.